We are often asked why we have so many thermometers. Well, they all do things a little bit differently. Take probe thermometers. Here's 3 of our probe thermometers. We've got one which is not waterproof. This one is waterproof, and this one is really, really waterproof. Next thing, we have infrareds. Infrareds, you just point, pull the trigger, and there's your temperature. Some have probes, some are waterproof, some are not waterproof. Next thing, food deliveries. When you get your food delivery, you open up the box. If you're using an infrared, you'd pick up the first product, shoot the second, and there's a temperature which is indicative of the core. If you were using a probe thermometer, you'd put it in exactly the same spot. So you'd pick up the first one, put it in between the 2 products. When you're plating, first thing you do if you're using an infrared is just point it, move it around, and it'll give you a temperature of what you've plated. If you were using a probe, you just stick it into a couple of products in the same sort of spots. Next thing, some probe thermometers have leads on them like this, and this is to keep you further away from the hot stuff. This is to keep you further away from the hot stuff. Some are not waterproof, some are waterproof, and this one has a temperature and a time, and it also has a shielded cable so you can run it into your oven. Next, constant monitoring. Data loggers. Some have software, some have probes, some are waterproof, some are not. If they have software, then you have to have a dedicated computer for it to run it. If they have a probe, you can actually run the probe into your fridge or your freezer, but you can also run it into your dishwasher or into your bain-marie water or your salad bar water to make all of that monitoring so much easier. If they don't have software, like this model here, this one has a probe, but it also comes in a model which doesn't have a probe. So this you can actually throw it into one of your food deliveries. You set it up on a USB on your computer, run it into your food delivery, and at the other end they can take it out, put it into their computer. They don't need the software, and they can actually have a look at what happened on the way there. This one, bee's knees, Wi-Fi and wireless. You mount this on the wall, run this into your fridge or your freezer, but don't forget you can also use it into your dishwasher or your bain-marie water or your salad bar water. Make all of that automatic, make your life easy. Mount this up so you plug your router in, and then it's all on the cloud for you. It's wireless. You've got the advantage is you've got live records. You've got a history available on your cloud account when the inspectors call. Some will even SMS and send you emails if the temperatures are out, or if someone hasn't done their job and hasn't taken their temperature records yet. Then you'll find out. No paper records, no personnel forgetting to take temps. Then all you need to do is take the actual probe thermometer temps yourself. Next thing, if you have food deliveries, you need one of these. These are a tracker. This will show you where the truck is, how fast it's going, whether the back door is open or shut, and the temperature of the food. It does everything. It's got lots more things than just that. The other thing, we even have a HACCP consultant on staff to advise you and to answer any questions that you may have. So when you need temperature monitoring, don't go to the amateurs. Come to HLP Controls. Get the right equipment. We've got experts on staff. We know what we're talking about. We are the experts. Come to us. Thanks.
Cut.